I would like to show you this knife which we have for sale in our shop. This is how it comes. It's in this little box. I'll take it out of the box for you. This can double as a storage case, but I don't know if it's really needed. Anyway, this is how it looks. This part, the handle, is anodized aluminum, and this part in the front is plastic. You can see it fits your hand real nice. I'll show you some of the features. First of all, it's got blade storage in the handle, and the way this opens is a little tricky. There it goes. You can see the door opens, and then there's 5 brand new blades inside here. So it comes with 1 installed and 5 extra in the handle. Then I wanted to mention this is blue anodized aluminum, and the part in front here is hard plastic. It has a cover which comes off, and you can see the knife blade is there. The cover snaps on. Let me see if you can hear this. Okay. And the blade changing is really easy. You just turn this knob a couple turns, it pops right out. Put it back in, tighten it, and the blade is secure. The tool works really well. Of course, it's just a regular hobby knife, and the blades are, of course, extremely sharp, so you have to be careful with it. But I like it because it has a good grip. You can really control the knife, and when you're done, you can put the cover on. There you go.